morning children. Let us start with a new chapter today. That is about Nigeria, Egypt and South Africa, but I am going to take only Nigeria today. So what are the topics which will be covered in this chapter are? First one, see topics we are looking forward to. Location and extent of Nigeria, Egypt and South Africa. The relationship between the physical features, climate, natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural resources, agriculture, minerals, industries, people and important cities. So let us see here. The African continent has a wide variety of countries. Already you have learned in the previous chapter about Africa, isn't it? So it has got a wide variety of countries. African countries, wide varieties. That means many countries are there in that. So African continent. There are totally 7 continents, isn't it? Out of that, African continent is one among them, isn't it? So the African continent has a wide variety of countries. Similarly, a wide variety of physical features, political and economic systems are also found here. So physical features means if you take the geography of that. So how the landscape is present, all those comes under physical features. Political means it's all based on the parties. So who are ruling the country, all those things come under political, and economic is about the finance condition. So all these things come under this continents and different countries. So now let us say about Nigeria. So Nigeria is one country among this African continent. So let us see. Nigeria is located in Western Africa on the Gulf of Guinea. So it is in the Western Africa, western part, to the left side. So Western Africa on the Gulf of Guinea. Once a colony of the British, it is now an independent country. Before how it was a colony of British. British are ruling them. African means it's all black people there. And British, they are all white people, isn't it? But what happened before, many years back, the British were ruling this. So, once a colony of the British, which one is Nigeria, was a colony of British, it is now an independent country. Now what happened? It became an independent country. So, Nigeria itself is an independent country. It is the world's 32nd largest country and the largest in Western Africa. So, if you take the whole world, out of that, this is the 32nd largest country. Nigeria is the 32nd largest country. And the largest in West Africa. So when you come to Western Africa, then this is the largest country, the first largest country. But throughout the world, if you take, that will be the 32nd largest country. So this is a map of this Nigeria, we can see here. So here they are given, did you know? Nigeria is an important center for biodiversity. What do you mean by biodiversity? Means different life of plants and animals. So varieties of plants and animals, we call it as biodiversity. See, the area surrounding Calabar Cross River state contains the world's largest diversity of butterflies. In butterflies itself, there are many varieties of butterflies where the area surrounding Calabar Cross River state, there it contains world's largest diversity of butterflies. You have seen butterflies small to big, isn't it? And here you can see the maximum number of different varieties of butterflies. Okay, now let us continue here. Location. Where is this Nigeria located? Nigeria lies to the north of equator. North of equator means equator is the center point in the globe, isn't it? So the northern hemisphere, the upper part. So it is lying where? Nigeria lies to the north of the equator. It shares 4047 kilometer border with Benin in the west. Benin is in the west and 1497 kilometer with Niger in the north. So Niger is here, Benin is here, you can see west is Benin and north is Niger. 1497 kilometer with Niger in the north upwards and 87 kilometer with Chad in the northeast. See, this is north side, this is east. In between north and east, you call it as northeast. What is that? It is Chad. See, Chad. So this is Niger, Chad. Here it is Benin. West is Benin, north is Niger, northeast is Chad. In the northeast and 1690 km with Cameroon the east. So this is the east part. What is that? You can see Cameroon. It is Cameroon in the east. So you can see the width and length of this Nigeria. So that we call it as the 32nd largest country in the world. Did you understand? So because they have got so much area, location, you can see that the range of this, it is too much. That is why it is the 32nd largest. And in West Africa, if you take, that is the highest one, largest one. So here, Chad over in the northeast and 1690 km with Cameroon in the east. It has a coastline of at least 853 km in the Atlantic Ocean. Coastline, coastal area means the area where the sea or ocean is present. That is called as coastal area. What is the dimension of that? It is 853 km. So you can understand how big it is. 853 km in the Atlantic Ocean. So it is where? In the Atlantic Ocean. Now let us say about the physical features. Nigeria has a varied landscape. So if you look at the physical features of that, it has got varieties of landscape like plateaus, valleys and all those plains and all that comes under landscape. It is a land of plateaus with an average height of 600 meter. So you can see the plateaus there. How much? What is the dimension? It is 600 meter. The highest point of Nigeria is Chappal Wadi at 8,419 meter. So, what is given at the highest point of this plateau? What is that? Point of Nigeria is Chappal Wadi at 8,419 meter. To the extreme north is the Sahara Desert. Already you know Sahara Desert is the greatest, largest desert, isn't it? So, you can see in the extreme north there is Sahara Desert. Nigeria's most expansive region is that of the valleys of the Niger and Benue rivers. So it has got rivers, it has got plateaus, it has got plains, everything is present. That is why it is called as a varied landscape. Understood? So to the extreme north is the Sahara Desert. Nigeria's most expansive region is that of the valleys of the Niger and Benue rivers. Then plains. They rise to the north of the valleys. So what are plains here? They have explained here. Plains means vast extent of level land formed by deposition of materials. It's a flat land, plain land. So it is deposition of materials. So many materials are present there. So it is forming a vast extent of level land. It's a flat land formed by deposition of materials. Okay, so plains rise to the north of the valleys. Coastal plains are found in both the southwest and southeast. Coastal plains where the presence of ocean, already you know it is in Atlantic Ocean, isn't it? So the coastal plains are found in both the southwest and the southeast. Rivers Niger and Benue converge and empty into the Niger Delta. So there is a delta. So what is meant by delta? Delta, an area of land where the mouth of a river has split into several channels. Delta means an area of land. It is a land where the mouth of a river is going to split into several channels. So Niger Delta, one of the world's largest river deltas. River Niger drains into the Gulf of Guinea. So what happens? This Niger river goes and just attaches where? To the Gulf of Guinea. So that is about this Nigeria. Let me stop it here today. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.